Hi, I'm Sumit Riwari. I suffered a very severe asthma attack about 3 days ago, and I'd gone for a clinic to a checkup just to see if I could get an injection and stabilize it. But they told me that it was beyond their control, so I had rushed to Primus because of the comfort level I've had here. My mother got her knees replaced a couple of years ago, and it was a very smooth and a very clear experience from my side, which I was very happy by. So that's the first thing that popped into my mind, and I turned up over here. And I must say that I was very well taken care of with a lot of ease. They put my stress aside right down from the emergency team, which was handled in a very fast time. Maybe in about half an hour, 45 minutes, they diagnosed, got me stable, and they put me into the MICU overnight. And over there, also, the team was there non-stop. I mean, I think I woke up thrice in the night, but always to find a nurse right around the bed there to whatever I needed. Very clean, very nice. I like the fact that it doesn't smell like a hospital at times, but it's super clean. That is where I know. From being in a very stressful situation, it came out to be a very peaceful thing. It's been 2.5, 3 days. Obviously, I would like to get back home, which I'm doing now. But they've made this part of the journey far more acceptable and nicer. All the staff at the floors also, they've been very efficient. More than anything else is that I was made aware of every step which is there. Most of the time, you're not made aware of what's happening. So that clarity as a business guy is always very important to me. I would just suggest that I hope you guys never need it, but if you do need it, definitely one of the places to come where they calm your mind down and they show you good service. Best of luck to the team. Keep it up.